First, we consider two simple bounds, an inner and an outer bound. The first thing is we can do time sharing to get an inner bound. So assume that somehow the two encoders work together. That means at some time slots, the encoder 2 just sent one symbol, and at this symbol, the encoder 1 is allowed to send everything. The same is true for encoder 1. He sends at the other time slots, he sent one symbol, and at this time slot, encoder 2 is allowed to send everything. Therefore, we can use the idea for the discrete minimalist channel. We maximize overall probability distribution for the best possible symbol encoder 2 can send, and that means he can achieve in his time slots this rate, and the other can achieve in his time slot this rate. And that means for the rate region, we have R1 over C1 plus R2 over C2. These two rates we can achieve such. So we have a proportion here of this and a proportion here of this. So this is a simply inner bound we can do. The next thing is we just treat interference as noise. And then, of course, we have the sets of rate pairs R1, that's the mutual information of X1 and Y1 under the condition Q, and R2 is the mutual information of X2 and Y1 under the condition Q. And this is just for some PQ and PX1 under Q and PX2 under Q. And this is just like we send without cooperation, and we just treat this here as noise.